When you're ready to begin designing websites, there's some top questions that you got to remember to ask any client before you begin. You want to know what they want to achieve with their website. What is the purpose of their website and why, and what do they want to get out of it? Who is their audience and what message do they want to give to them? What makes them different from their competitors? Describe the style of website they want. Are there any sites that they really like? Do they have colors, branding, logos, and images that they want to use? What do they most like about their current site? What do they least like about it? What's on competitors' sites that they like, and what don't they like? What's important to them? Budget and resources, what do they already have? And any additional expectations, such as site management, number of pages, and so on. It's really important to understand the needs of the customer, know their budget, and ask those important questions. Usually by asking keywords, this gives you a better idea of where to start the design process. Get 3 to 5 keywords and use those words in order to brainstorm more. Get more ideas out of the words. Those words will give you direction and help you better understand how to begin the design process. Those keywords should be a summary from the client's point of view. Now you can use those keywords to Google search, do an image search on those keywords to better get an idea of what your client is looking for. If they're looking for fresh, lively, find out what types of colors and information is also being provided. Use those again for the brainstorming process in order to really begin that design process. The more you understand about your client, the better. Remember, the client is looking to you for guidance.